Okay, so I'm going to be tidying up this bed all the way to the horse. Back into the corner. A lot of bulbs coming up. The daffodils. Oh, even the dahlias are starting to pop back up here. Irises, actually, I think they are. Irises. And a lot of bulbs, so can't rush these sort of things or you'll pull out everything. Got to make sure I pull out the right thing. Takes a bit of experience, I guess, to know what the right things are. Anyway, I'll put this in here and get to work. Getting there. Now I'll go in this corner behind the gate. Open the gate. Or shut the gate actually. Start in there. Get a drink now. See where I've been. So next right here, and then I'll work in there. Well, put a lot of balls in here. Bucket of weeds here. Gotta get the blower now. Blow all that bark back on. This is a nasty rose. As the lady here calls it, spiteful. Look at the spikes on it. Oh, I think I've got hold of it, huh? This way. Touch him. It's kind of in the bin. Well, mostly in the bin. Squish it. They're in the bin. Are you trying to tell me something? What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? Oh, is something wrong? Oh, what does it mean? Is there something you've got to tell me? What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh.